The Broil King Rotisserie Kits. Enjoy succulent rotisserie chicken and mouth-watering roasts from your Broil King gas or pellet grill with our Deluxe Rotisserie Kits. Using a rotisserie helps cook your chicken more evenly, giving you perfect, crispy skin with juicy and tender meat. It also prevents your roast from sticking to your grids or a pan. Each kit comes with 2 heavy-duty meat forks that lock your meal in place, a nickel-plated rotisserie rod, counterbalance mechanism, and a long-lasting auto-reverse rotisserie motor with an on and off switch. Use the Broil King stainless roasting pan to add additional flavors and catch drippings that get infused back into your food. The rotisserie easily disassembles for cleaning and storage when not in use. Prepare a restaurant-quality roast in your own backyard with our Deluxe Rotisserie Kits. The Broil King Rotisserie Kits. Broil King. Do more with your grill.